Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to talk about the differences between joint compound, spackling, kind of the same thing, but there's so many choices it can be super confusing. So let me take you through them one by one. Okay, this first one is all-purpose joint compound, and typically this is used when you're finishing drywall. Maybe you're gonna hang drywall. You're gonna use this to set the tape if you're doing any kind of taping. Professional drywall contractors will use this as their initial joint compound for setting everything, and then they'll graduate to a different type of joint compound. But you can literally use this for anything. You can use it to set tape, you can use it to fill holes in the wall, you can use it to put joint tape and patch things. It's heavy duty, you need to mix it, and it comes in different sizes. This little 3.5 quart pail is typically the smallest that it comes in. Plus 3 would be the next joint compound that professionals would use in the finishing process. This would be used as the final coat to kind of get the best finish. However, that being said, it can be used from start to finish as well. Typically comes in larger containers like this. So does the all-purpose one that I showed you before. But this one's a little bit lighter weight. Literally, the bucket weighs less in how it's put together. Professionals, to get the really nice finish, will actually put it into a mud pan, add a little water and mix it to make it a little bit thinner to really get professional results. So this is true joint compound, though some people call it spackle as well. But these are two really good products to help you set tape and do major drywall work around your home. Now here we go to the Alex Plus from DAP, and it's called heavyweight spackling. Yet if I opened up the container and showed you this and showed you the previous Plus 3, they would look the same. That's why the words are sort of interchangeable. This product you can use for drywall, you can use it for wood, you can use it on metal repairs. What's different between this one and the other ones is that it can be used both interior and exterior. The first two are really interior products only. This is probably the most versatile joint compound / spackling that you can buy and use. Okay, these three are very versatile. These are truly spackling, what I call spackling, because they're very lightweight. Can't tell this on camera, but you'll pick this up and you'll almost think, is there anything inside of here? But it is very lightweight. For you renters out there, maybe you're hanging pictures and you need to patch those nail holes, this is what you want to buy. The difference between these two is that this one can be used exterior. This is an interior product only. And this last one, it's heavier and it's pink in color. You can see the top is pink. The beauty behind this is that all these are fast drying, about 30 minutes before you can do a little sanding and painting. With this one, with the pink, it goes on pink, and when it's dry, it turns white. So you get a visual cue as to when it's time to go back and do a little bit of sanding and painting. Very versatile, lightweight for small projects. These are the way to go. Coming up next, my video on how to apply spackle.